Gently apply TRÜ Scan Powder to an abutment with an included brush. Using 10 grams of TRÜ Scan Powder, you can scan approximately 3,000 abutments. It will be thinly and evenly coating the surface to scan precisely. It can be applied to any shiny surface to prevent glares when scanning. Compared to conventional sprays, it is 11 times more accurate. This time, TRÜ Scan Powder is only applied to the half of chrome cobalt thimble bar. Let's compare the scan result after scanning it with DGShape E4. As you can see, where TRÜ Scan Powder is applied is scan clean. However, where TRÜ Scan Powder is not applied shows a distorted result.